over here. Look who made it. Finally, you're about 30 minutes late. Come on, let's get you signed in here. Thank you so much. This is a nice shirt. Should we bake this bad boy? All right, and then what do you eat?
Time to introduce the Lay's Chicken Fingers starting lineup for your UT Tyler Patriots.